All right, traders, a very warm welcome to everyone. Welcome to the post market analysis, where I will be discussing the market outlook for 21st December 2021. So, before I discuss the scenarios that can be expected for tomorrow's market, I just want to tell you about a few things, a few important messages from my side that you can consider in the coming trading sessions. First thing is, I want to discuss about two important accumulation levels in Nifty. First of all, the first accumulation zone in Nifty is at these levels. Okay. And जब इसका breakout आया था, we retested this zone and then huge uptrend happened in the markets. So this is a zone of 16,400 where markets took support today. Okay. The second one is this consolidation zone where we consolidated from June to July over 2 months of consolidation. And then we broke out this zone and huge rally happened in the markets. So why I am telling you about these two accumulation zones? This is because if market falls further, you must know where you have to start accumulating good equity stocks for long term. So I just want to say if market happens to be around 16,400 at any given day in the coming sessions or 16,000 levels, please try to buy something for long term, something for your long term portfolio. This is because these are some good accumulation levels on Nifty जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा कंसोलिडेशन हुआ था उसके बाद ब्रेकआउट आया था तो जनरली जब मार्केट ऊपर से वापस नीचे आएगा these are the levels which will definitely provide a very good support to the Nifty. So please watch out for these levels. One is already marked there, 15,900 to 16,000. The second one is 16,400 levels where we took support today. तो आज भी अपन ने 16,400 पे सपोर्ट लिया which shows that this is a very concrete level. And also अगर अपन 200 EMA अप्लाई करेंगे चार्ट पे so this happens to be around these levels. थोड़ा सा ही नीचे है. Even if market थोड़ा सा नीचे चला जाएगा 16,400 से still they will be given bounce by the 200 EMA. This is a very important level जहाँ पे आपको long term stocks accumulate करने की सोचना चाहिए. Even if you are not trading, please focus on accumulating long term equity stocks at these levels because जब market highs मार रहे थे, you all were looking for the dips to buy some good stocks for your long term portfolios. But now अब जब markets एक dip पे हैं, please don't fear the markets right now. Focus on the opportunity, and when everyone else is fearful, be greedy. Let me talk about Bank Nifty. Regarding Bank Nifty, also we have done one post on our Instagram, and we have said you that we are at important support zone on Bank Nifty, that is 34,000 levels. Again, आज 34,000 से एक rejection आया Bank Nifty में. That shows the strength of this level because it is a multiple time tested level and markets have fallen one-sided from 42,000 levels to 34,000 levels. And now जब market इस level पे आया है, please don't wait. Don't think कि market यहाँ से और गिर सकता है या नहीं गिरेगा या फिर क्या होगा, but start adding some quantity of good banking stocks to your long-term portfolios like ICICI Bank, which is available near 700 levels, Kotak Bank near 1700 levels, Axis, HDFC Bank near 1400 levels. Please don't miss these gems and start adding them to your long-term portfolios. कुछ quantities में you should add these stocks to your long-term portfolios. And अगर further dip आती है, then you should try to average that. Okay. So this is the first dip you should look for buying the stocks. Okay. Now let me talk about the scenarios for tomorrow's market. Before I start talking about, I just want to tell you about an important resistance level on the charts of Nifty for this week. ये एक recent low था निफ्टी के charts पे 16,782 and in the coming days जब अपन इस level को approach करेंगे charts पे we will see some selling pressure at this point, so keep this thing in mind. Now let me open the charts of Nifty on a smaller time frame. And as the data was not suggesting much for tomorrow, I would not like to share a biased view for tomorrow's markets, but instead I would like to tell you that please focus on the price action tomorrow. जैसा कि मैं आपको हमेशा कहता हूँ, first 15 minutes candle tells a lot about the markets. And again, आज जो ओपन था वही हाई था मार्केट का, एंड उसका फॉलो अप आया, उसके बाद मार्केट्स प्लंज्ड. ओके, बेसिकली व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज कि सी द फर्स्ट कैंडल टुमारो. मार्केट्स एक इंपॉर्टेंट जोन पे क्लोज हुआ है आज, यहाँ से ब्रेकडाउन दिया, देन अगेन रेजिस्टेंस ली, बिग सेलिंग आई, then again markets closed at this level. So just because markets have closed near to this level, I would say that it will be easier for the markets to break this level tomorrow. अगर कल एक फ्लैट ओपनिंग होती है and you see a green candle tomorrow and uska follow up aata hai, then we can achieve the targets of 16,740 and 16,780 on the upside in Nifty. Okay, फिर 16,780 पे बुल्स को थोड़ा सा कॉशन मेंटेन करना चाहिए. द रीजन इज दिस वाज द प्रीवियस लो ऑफ निफ्टी एंड it will act as a resistance for the markets now. Second thing that I would like to say is कि 16,400 का जो लो आज बनाया है मार्केट्स ने, it is a very crucial level. यहाँ पे मैंने अपना accumulation zone draw कर रखा है. So I do not expect the markets to go and fall below this level tomorrow. The reason is कि last 2 days, Monday and Friday and Monday, बहुत ही ज्यादा ट्रेंडिंग हुआ है मार्केट्स में एंड वी हैव सीन अ फॉल ऑफ मोर देन 800 पॉइंट्स. अगर अपन फ्राइडे के हाई से आज के लो तक बात करें तो it is something about 900 points on Nifty. So we can't expect the markets to show such a trending move every day. बेसिकली जो ट्रेंडिंग मूव्स होती है वो मंडे एंड फ्राइडे को होती है एंड मार्केट कंसोलिडेट करता है उसके अलावा बाकी के जो 3 दिन होते हैं उसमें. सो व्हाट आई एक्सपेक्ट इज कि जब अपन ऊपर जाएंगे तो सेलिंग शुड कम फ्रॉम 16,780 एंड अगर अपन नीचे जाते हैं देन टिप्स कैन बी बॉट एट 16,400. तो जस्ट फोकस ऑन द फर्स्ट 15 मिनट कैंडल टुमारो. जहां भी उसका फॉलो अप आता है, दैट विल बी द डायरेक्शन. मार्केट्स will try to go in that direction. Okay, gap up या gap down होता है तो please try to observe the same thing. First candle को देखना क्या structure बन रहा है markets में. I will keep sharing the updates with you on our free Telegram channel, so please stay active on that as well. And talking about अभी markets में क्या चल रहा है, so Dow Jones is currently 1.6% down and Nasdaq is also 1.3% down. But SGX Nifty is already 120 points up from the closing level. So let's see कि कल gap up होता है, gap down, and whatever happens, please focus on the first candle and it will say everything to you about the markets. बाकी if there will be something else, I will be sharing on my Telegram channel. So please stay active on that as well. Thank you guys. Have a good night.